My favorite holiday tradition is decorating the Christmas tree. It's less about actually decorating the tree and more about reminiscing about all of the ornaments and why I love them.
When we decorate the tree in my house, we watch Jesse Norman's Christmas special from Ely Cathedral.
Of course you do.
Our tradition is a Secret Santa. We would spend 3 full months getting the perfect gift for under $15. It wasn't until later that I realized that my parents had swindled me out of getting a bunch of presents every year.
Get all dressed up to sit in la sala and eat tamales.
It always starts with sausage balls, and it's so good. Sausage balls.
I grew up in Mendoza, Argentina, Southern Hemisphere, so it's summertime for Christmas. The tradition would be to get together, hang out in the pool, and drink lots of wine.
That we play the game called 31. Whenever somebody loses, they have to leave the table and the whole table sings na 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 na.
Hey, hey, hey.
Goodbye. Dorothy, what's your holiday tradition?
I make pierogies with my babcha, and then we go to surfing Santas.
That's cool.
Really, our Christmas tradition was having our families together. We don't have a large family, so it was a very significant thing to have our family there.
On Christmas Eve, my family has made it a tradition to go put on a service at an assisted living center.
It's just really nice in the midst of all of the craziness to have a nice moment of stillness with the ones that you love.